Hi guys, good morning. Again, this is Lian Padla Kape. Time check. It's 9:33 a.m. here in Manila, Philippines. So, kumusta po yung umaga nyo? Sana you're doing good. Kasi ako po ay aalis. Sasakay po ng eroplano. May pupuntahan po. Importante. Okay na kaya yung audio ko nito? Baka mute na naman to. Yung huli ko pang last Sunday na LS ko, live streaming ko, it's I was talking about the romantic movies that I have watched, yung mga romantic movies during the 90s. Isa din kasi yan sa coping ng stress ko. Aside from listening to the music, I also watch movies. Una kong pinanood ay, ang title ng movie was There Was Something About Mary. Bida doon ay si Cameron Diaz at si Ben Stiller. So, natawa ko doon sa romantic movie na yun. Kasi nga, yun na nga, yung beauty is really in the eye of the beholder. Kasi nga, doon si Ben Stiller, high school crush niya si Cameron Diaz. And then, later on, nagkita sila. So, na-in-love siya. Nagkabalikan yung love story nilang dalawa. And then, yung isa din is, ang title ng movie was Shallow Hal. Si Gwyneth Paltrow, yung actress. Kasi, shallow nga. Kasi si Hal, yung lalaki, ang pangalan. Ang nakikita lang niya yung the physical attributes of the person. Hindi nakikita yung character, attitude ng person. Kaya tinawag na shallow hal. Si Gwyneth Paltrow doon, ang tingin niya, para talaga si Gwyneth Paltrow, pero mataba siya sa movie, sa actual. Nagkaroon siya ng, na-trap siya sa elevator, and then, doon sa elevator, may nangyari na parang na-hypnotize siya, so, nag-iba na yung perception niya. So, yung tingin ng mga ordinary na tao na pangit, nagiging maganda na. So, yun na nga. Tayo kasi, we based the beauty on the appearance, physical appearance of the person. Sana nga, more on the character and the attitude. Kasi yun ay hindi siya kukupas. Yung beauty na physical ay kukupas yan. I don't know if you agree with me. Kukupas kasi yung beauty na physical. Mawawala din yan. Magsasawa ka rin yan. And then, isa pa na movie na napanood ko ay yung Runaway Bride. Si Julia Roberts at si Richard Gere. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Richard Gere. So, yung si Julia Roberts doon, pang-apat siya kinasal na tumakbo siya kasi nga ayaw niya ng maraming tao. Gusto niya pala dapat intimate na wedding. Hi to my brother. See you soon. Magkikita na tayo later. See you, alligator. So, I was talking about the movies. Yung the 90s romantic movies. Yung Runaway Bride. And then, the next movie that I watched, Ugly Truth. The Ugly Truth. In love siya doon sa lalaki. Unintentional, hindi sila, palagi silang nag-aaway. Isa siyang producer ng isang media, and then yung lalaki isang talent, tapos in-advisean siya kung paano magkaroon ng boyfriend, paano daw na magka-attract sa kanya yung lalaki. Yung sa movie na Ugly Truth. So, yun lang po guys. Quick live lang po ito. So, I hope you enjoy your Thursday. Pray always. Stay positive despite all the negativities in life. Okay, so hi to my Careers, Vanessa Salidsid. Okay, thank you, brother dear, for your applause. I was inspired lang the movies that I have watched lately. Coping ng stress ko sa buhay na wala namang fairy tale in reality, but you know, love is a choice. And then there's no such thing as perfect relationship. So no matter what happens, if you really love the person, you will make a choice to do what is right. That's what I have learned from that movies. Kasi nga doon sa Runaway Bride nga sabi nga doon ni Julia Roberts na di daw siya makabigay ng assurance na everything will be perfect, everything will be okay, but she will regret daw if hindi daw niya sasabihin yung nararamdaman niya. Kaya nga siya yung nag-propose at the end, at natuloy na yung kasal nila. Well, yung isa palang movie is Notting Hill. Yung si Julia Roberts din, yung bida doon. Actress siya, isa siyang sikat na actress. And then, nagsabi siya doon na parang, I'm a woman, in front of a man. Para siyang, she was begging for love, ganun. But, yung lalaki ang lugi noon kasi nga, palagi siya tinitake for granted ni Julia Roberts kasi nga, actress nga siya. Hindi akalain nung lalaki na seryosohin pala siya ni Julia Roberts. Sabi ko nga, despite all the negativities, there's still love. But, you know, because of the issues of a person, mga unresolved issues during the childhood na nadadala nila sa adulthood, maybe that's affecting the relationship. Sana nga, you will heal from whatever trauma or pains that you have experienced during childhood. Kasi, madadala mo yan during your adulthood na stage na relationship. Good morning, Careers, Vanessa Salidsid. Okay, so, if you don't have any questions, hi to Mary Rose and GC. Kumusta ka na sa Canada? I hope you're okay. So, that's all for now, guys. See you. Bye-bye. I love you. Take care.